Good afternoon, I'm Brooklyn Green, and welcome to News for Reals, your go-to source for the latest updates and breaking news. In Cary, North Carolina, it seems a real-life supervillain has emerged. Authorities are asking residents to stay alert and report any sightings of this troublemaker. Stay safe out there.
Hey, sweetie, time to get up. Are you okay?
I'm okay, Mom.
I know it's been just a couple weeks since you've been out of the hospital from the lightning strike, but I think you should get out of the house for a bit. Actually, since you'll be up anyway, can you go on a walk or something? Get out into the sun.
I'll go.
Promise me you'll actually do it. Not just say you will and then crawl back into bed.
I said I'll go.
Good. And hey, take your time, walk around a bit. Might do you some good.
Yeah. We'll see.
That's all I ask. Love you, kid.
What the heck just happened? Superpowers. Oh, so cool. I should go save the world or something. I don't know how my powers are going to help with climate change or world hunger or racism. I can't right now. I can't. I really can't. Let's go take this walk, clear our head, and just live a grand old life. What is even happening today? Shoot. My keys. You know what? This is a great time to test out to see if I have any other superpowers. Let's do this. Keys! Okay, yeah, that was a little weird. You know, we'll try a different way. Keys! No, yeah, still weird. That's okay. It's okay. Keys! Okay. Maybe one more time. This is it. Keys. Whatever. I have 5 hours.
Hey, thief.
This is my chance.
What the?
Hey,
I'm Brooklyn Green, and welcome to News for Reals, your go-to source for the latest updates and breaking news. In Cary, North Carolina, it seems a real-life supervillain has emerged. Authorities are asking residents to stay alert and report any sightings of this troublemaker.
Oops.
Stay safe out there.